Hello everyone, Simon here from forexmagicweb.com. Just wanted to show you a couple of charts and the harmonic patterns actually that I was anticipating, and you can see foreseeing or envisioning, because the conventional way of playing these patterns are once they are complete, then you trade them. But I like to I just got very good at it, and then I usually see or foresee in the last leg that what's going to happen, and then I even trade the last leg of these patterns, which is a CD, and before even they finish. Okay, it's hundreds of pips to make if you understand and learn these patterns. And once they finish, then you have a conventional way of trading it, and then you trade the reaction of the pattern. So let me show you what happened here. I started posting this 2 weeks ago, May 1st. I made this chart, and look at this. My sell order here was 32.88 or 80 something. I don't even remember. Okay, and from there on, you can see all these calculations I already did. Why? Because I saw these patterns unfolding. Okay, this is a bad pattern, which is the first pullback. See the big move X from X to A, and then first pullback should be less than 61.8 for a bad pattern. So it is less than that, 50%, and then it went up again. And then if it's 50, then it's supposed to come to 88.6 to finish a bad pattern. If the first pullback is 61.8, then the second pullback comes to 78.6 to finish a girdle. Okay, so they are like brothers, girdle and a bat. Girdle finishes at 78.6, bat at 88.6. It depends on the first pullback, how it is. So this was 50, so I figured I was watching it at 78.6, and 88.6 was right here. Then the projection of BC leg was 1.618 was coming this. So these are the calculations. Okay, these are the numbers. 127.72, 127.67, and 127.21 at 88.6. That was the number that I was looking for. All right. So this is X, A, B, C, and from C to D, in the blue color. You also several times that happens, sometimes, and you have A, B, C, D pattern in this CD leg as well. So that's what I was hoping, and it was happening, and that's what I thought. And I made this chart and targeting 127.21, which we achieved finally. We touched this TL and this 88.6 yesterday. Finally, let me show you the chart. Right here, see how beautiful it is. Okay, and all these time I was just selling, taking profit, selling again, taking profit, all rally. And the beautiful thing about this is that the move was like around 500 pip, and I came up more than 700 pip in this, believe me or not. What you do is, once you know these patterns and the move and the direction, you can just sell the rallies, and every time it comes up, sell it and take profit. Then it comes up again, and sell it again. So sometimes you 50 pip move and you make 150 3 times, when it starts ranging in between, like right here. So that was a beautiful last 2 weeks. I had very good fun to play this pattern and trading. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you. And for those who are skeptical about harmonic trading and all these patterns, that this is how it is. Let me show you another. This is bad pattern, right? So Frankie, Swissy USD Franc was making a girdle pattern, which I foreseen, and then I start playing that for a couple of days, and I achieved my target. Let me show you the charts. This is the chart that I made on May 13th, and you can see USD Franc daily chart, and it's XABC, and again the CD leg was having ABCD small like a butterfly, XABCD. All right. So butterfly is always beyond the point of X, and girdle is always within the X. So this girdle was finished by this small butterfly, and I saw that happening, and that's why I have these two options that I always have two options, up and down. It's just like if then strategy. If this happens, if this white line breaks, right, I wrote it here, okay, small butterfly inside a bigger girdle pattern. Okay, if we break and hold above 93, then we go to 94.50, which is 78.6. okay, if we stay below 93, then we will go back to black rising TL at 91 right here. So it was all depending on this, and as soon as we start going above it, now you see what happened. Let me show you the chart. This is what happened. Okay, so this is how powerful these patterns are, and market, believe me or not, it only makes these patterns and nothing else. You just have to learn and find them, and if you like become good at it, you can literally find every single move and every single leg and how far they're gonna go and when they're gonna start. Believe me or not, this is how powerful it is. This was like I started trading this here, third touch of the TL, and then I saw this. Oh my God, this is what's happening. All right, so let's go, and it's in front of your eyes. Okay, I made this chart at a time. This was made on May 13, and this is final May 15. Today I am hoping now it's gonna go back, but we need the eur-usd to go down. I mean go up, and I don't know how the eur-usd gonna go up. I don't see it. So let's see what happens, one step at a time. So we are again at the station, and we're gonna see where the bus goes. Then we take a ticket and we hop in. All right, thanks a lot. Have a great day.